If you want to transfer files from your DJI Osmo Action 6 into your smartphone, the Android smartphone, you can for sure do this. First of all, on your phone, you will have to open the settings and you have to search for OTG connection. So go into the search bar at the top and input this OTG phrase. In my case, it's available in the more connections, and I just have to make sure that I just turn this on. Now I can close this one, and we have to grab that cable, double USB-C cable. First of all, plug it in into your smartphone, into the USB-C port. And now on your DJI Osmo Action 6, go into that power button, move this button to the right side, and then while holding, move this part downwards. And now as you can see, we have to grab that cable, plug it in. And now we should get this information and we have to select file transfer. Now when you did it, you have to simply go into your phone and search for file application. In my case, I'm going to use file manager. You can find this OTG device. So go for this. And now just search for the things that you are looking for. In my case, I would like to transfer some photos. Here I have them, taken by my DJI camera. I have to select everything. And now I can copy this to my phone and still keep it on my DJI, or I can just move it. And this is what I want to do. I want to move these items. So now the navigation may look a little bit different. It depends on the phone that you are using, but basically you have to select your internal storage of your phone. So that's how it looks in my case. I have to go back from my DJI internal storage, go to my phone storage, and now I can pass that, for example, into my downloads just over here, and I have to click paste. Now wait for this, and as you can see, the process is finished, and I can already find these photos taken by my camera on my smartphone.